So I haven't done a vlog style yet. I did one, but then I didn't post it because I'm like, do I want this on my channel? Like, I don't know. But I'm going to be making a yellow Thai curry with shrimp for my husband, tofu for me. I'm vegan. And I thought I'd show you the process. So it's raining and it's ugly outside. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and Sprouts to get what we need for the week. Come home, order stuff from Costco, from Instacart, because I don't want to go there. And then I'll show you the process of cooking it. I've never made it before, so hopefully it comes out. And I'm not going to take you to the grocery store because that feels weird to be videotaping in the grocery store. But I'll unpack my groceries with you and show you what I'm making. Well, I just told you what I'm making, but I'll show you the ingredients. Okay, bye. It is ugly outside. It's the only place I can record that's not windy and rainy, and my umbrella's not trying to be flipped inside out. So I finished my errands, stopping my last stop at Whole Foods, getting yellow curry paste. So got everything I need. So I'll show you the things I got for the dinner, and then maybe I'll show you what I bought for ourselves. It's a cold sore, it's healing, but no, I did not smear my lipstick across my lip, although that's what it looks like. Protein source, I'm gonna give my husband some shrimp. I was gonna do tofu for mine, but I found these at Trader Joe's, these Thai vegetable gyozas. So I'm gonna add those to mine. And then, let's see, I needed bell peppers. Got some carrots, I'm gonna grate. I had to go to 3 stores to find yellow curry paste. All they had was red and green at the 2 stores I went to. A shallot. And that's all I had to buy. I have other stuff like brown sugar, coconut milk. I can't remember everything else, and then I also bought, we like frozen rice because we're lazy. Bought some yellow zucchini. I like to roast that. Green beans. I was out of black beans, so I bought some more of those. Bananas. Got myself some spicy lentil wraps from Trader Joe's. More Kalamata olives. Some vegan cookies that my husband and I both like. Sourdough bread. Have you tried this? This peanut butter caramel popcorn from Trader Joe's? Oh my gosh. I can literally eat the whole bag in one sitting. That. And then I went to Sprouts and got this Mago 7. It helps me go. Okay, so I'm gonna start gathering my ingredients. I wrote down the recipe because I mentioned earlier she didn't have it in the description yet. I did reach out to her and asked her how much curry and turmeric blend. So I'm gonna have to guess on that. But let's get started. Let's grab all of our ingredients.
Hey, princess. You get a W? Did you ever get a W? Did you ever get a walk?
Out in the front yard.
On a walk. In the front yard. You poor thing. If I wasn't sick, I would take care of you, but now you're too sick.
Nose.
That little girl, I'm sorry. I've asked that lady to help you.
I'm gonna load my bowl up after this video, but I want to try it with you. It smells delicious. I added some rice at the bottom of the bowl. This is gonna be messy. 5 minutes. Really good. And those, whatever they are, from Trader Joe's, really good. So I'm gonna load my bowl up. My husband wants one, so I'll leave him one. And then I'm gonna put his shrimp in there, boil it to cook the shrimp, and then he can have the rest. I'll link the recipe. It was really good. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.